Hey everyone, welcome back with me again at the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a watermark for your video edits in CapCut. So first, just finish your edits, and then to create a watermark, you can just basically add a tags. Here, I'm going to just go to tags and then just write your name or your username. For example, like this. Then change the font into the one you like or your own font. Okay, for example, this one, adjust the size and then go to style and find opacity, and you can just lower the opacity of the text like this. For example, click on a check icon and just place it to the position you want. So for example, I want to place it at the bottom like this and adjust it for the entire clips. So now you are done and the watermark will be there on the clip. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.